What is methadone? Methadone is a mu-opioid receptor agonist used for analgesic purposes in chronic pain and for maintenance treatment of opioid use disorder. Methadone has a long half-life, which allows it to effectively suppress cravings and withdrawal symptoms in opioid use disorder. Like all opioid medications, methadone carries a risk of overdose, which is characterized by somnolence, miosis, and respiratory depression, that is, bradypnea. Another side effect is QT interval prolongation, which can predispose to torsade de pointes. Common medications that increase methadone effect: antifungals Fluconazole, voriconazole, and ketoconazole; antibiotics Ciprofloxacin, clarithromycin; histamine 2 antagonist Cimetidine; antidepressant Fluvoxamine. Methadone is extensively metabolized by the cytochrome P450 system, particularly by CYP3A4. It is a member of the cytochrome P450 family of oxidizing enzymes, mainly found in the liver and intestine. A patient of opioid use disorder on methadone maintenance therapy received antimicrobials for the treatment of HIV-related infection. He is brought to the emergency department due to worsening lethargy. The pupils are small and sluggish to react. In this case, the patient likely received fluconazole, an antifungal medication that is used in the treatment of cryptococcal meningitis, which typically occurs in patients with a CD4 count less than 100. Fluconazole inhibits CYP3A4, which can increase plasma methadone concentration and lead to opioid toxicity. Interestingly, not all CYP3A4 inhibitors prolong methadone effects. Other medications known to cause similar interactions with methadone include voriconazole, ketoconazole, Ciprofloxacin, clarithromycin, Cimetidine, and Fluvoxamine. Atovaquone and dapsone are alternative agents used to prevent pneumocystis pneumonia in patients with trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole allergy. Common side effects of dapsone include hemolytic anemia and methemoglobinemia, particularly in patients with glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. Neither medication has significant interactions with methadone. Rifampin is used in combination with other antibiotics in the treatment of multiple mycobacterial infections, for example, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium avium complex. It is a cytochrome P450 inducer and can result in lower plasma concentrations of methadone, thereby decreasing its effects. Valganciclovir is used for treatment and secondary prophylaxis of cytomegalovirus retinitis. Side effects include bone marrow suppression and diarrhea. It does not interact with methadone. Methadone is a mu-opioid receptor agonist used for maintenance treatment for opioid use disorder. It is metabolized by the cytochrome P450 system, particularly by CYP3A4. Certain inhibitors of CYP3A4, for example, azoles, fluvoxamine, ciprofloxacin, clarithromycin, cimetidine, can increase plasma methadone concentration and lead to opioid toxicity, for example, sedation, respiratory depression, miosis.